Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Sun is Late and So is the Farmer, written by Philip C. Stead and illustrated by Erin E. Stead. Please enjoy. The sun is late and so is the farmer. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse standing in a barn door, waiting for the sun to rise. There's a silence inside everything, inside the damp wood of the barn, inside the farm, tools hanging from the walls, inside the dark sky overhead. When the wind blows, the weather vane makes a squeak, 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 and there is a silence inside of that too. The sun is late, said Mule. And so is the farmer, says Milk Cow. We should talk to Barn Owl, says Miniature Horse. Barn Owl will know what to do. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse standing at the chicken coop where Barn Owl likes to perch in the light of the moon. Are you right? Said Barn Owl. The sun is late to rise. We will have to wake her up, says Mule, or the farmer will sleep, says Milk Cow. And breakfast will never come, says Miniature Horse. Okay, says Barn Owl. Here is what we must do. Travel beyond the field full of sheep, over the broken fence. Through the acres of tall corn. Past the sleeping giant, all the way to the edge of the world. There you will find the sun still asleep in her bed. Bring Rooster along. Rooster will know what to do. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse, standing in the moonlight, so full of worry they have never left the barnyard before, says Mule. We will have to find courage, says Milk Cow. We will have to be braver than we ever thought possible, says Miniature Horse. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse, walking close together. Milk Cow touches her snort to a sleeping sheep. She feels the cool dew on the wood. What do sheep dream of? She asks. They dream of other sheep, says Mule, not knowing for sure that is true. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse, afraid to be so far away from home, close their eyes and listen to the swish, swish, swish of the stalk against their hides. Then there is a sleeping giant. Miniature horse looks back and whispers, "What do giants dream of?" "They dream of sheep," whispered Mule, not knowing for sure that is true. Clack, clop, clack, clop goes the hooves in the yard of the old farmhouse. "Who's there?" called the farmer in her bed. The hooves make a hurry to leave, and the farmer returns to her dream about. A mule, a milk cow, a miniature horse standing at the edge of the world, wondering about the sun. "What does she dream of?" asked miniature horse. Cock-a-doodle-doo. "She dreams of breakfast," says Mule. "Same as us." Looks like they got their breakfast after all. Wasn't that a cute story? uh, they all walked to just a short way to watch the rise of the sun. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell, and whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care.